Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame, and as we can see, it's continuing its big fat reversal to the upside that I predicted pretty much perfectly with this trade here. As you can see, just before the election I did take this long position because we did see that we were coming down and sweeping the liquidity below this bear market range low that we hit before down here around 31 cents. Once we headed down below that level, I pretty much took the position straight away because I knew that we were ridiculously way too overextended to the downside. And then obviously when Donald Trump got into power, he's extremely pro-crypto and is currently in the process of appointing pro-crypto officials at the SEC and other places, which is really good to see for the markets. And you can see overall here, we've had that big, fat, juicy reversal here off of the lows. Very nice indeed. Obviously came back into the previous range, tested the high, tested the low, and now we've got more continuation to the upside as we are breaking through resistance, liquidating shorts at a record pace, and overall just reversing back round like I said that we could pretty much instantly. We came down, we swept the liquidity below the bear market range low, as you can see here. Pretty much just came down, swept the low below the range. You could say the range high is probably up here somewhere. Came down, swept the low below the range, and then reversed back inside, looking exceptionally good for probably some more continuation back in this way. Who knows how parabolic we will get for Polygon here. You can see people getting back in at a record pace. Obviously, if Bitcoin does have a retrace, we will see a retrace in the market for Polygon as well. But overall, I would say Polygon here looking really good for continuation. Maybe have a bit of a retrace to retest into this 023 area before continuation. But as I said in my previous videos, pretty much everything that I've said has been playing out. In terms of the macro, maybe I didn't get the day-to-day price action right, but it was obvious that we were going to reverse soon from this unbelievably ridiculous downtrend. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside for Polygon there. We started ranging sideways and we were looking for that breakout, but then we got that one last liquidity sweep below the bear market range low, and then obviously the big move back up to the upside as demand came back in for our large caps, Polygon included, looking really good here. And we have basically what we're looking at now, a 2x, almost a 2x from my trade position. And I'm continuing to target back up towards the range high of the bear market. Things looking really good. My trade's working out perfectly, and my spot bags are still being held for the long term. Let's see what we can do. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well. And like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.